So here is my bird. Not finished quite yet, I guess, because the papa hasn't popped up. I mean, unless it's stuck or something. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, but as you can see, it's pretty much done. You got some crispy ass bacon there, man. No doubt. Mmm. It's just gonna be good. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull this bacon off. Put this over there with the sweet potatoes and stuff. And let that chest a little more exposed. See if that papa pops up. Give it a few more minutes. About another 15-20 minutes. See what happens. Anyway, there's my bird. And like I said, that shit is looking good. I mean, look at that. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.